and gentlemen, you're beginning to see a lot of balloons inflating here. Do you see the tulip balloon? That is a balloon shaped like tulip, a bouquet of tulips that is flown by pilot Frank Krell, Mark Howard, Lane and David Smith, and Alex Nord. They're from the United States. And that is our Valentine tulip balloon. That is sponsored by the Zone Housing. Again, at the far side of the balloon, the Swiss Stars balloon is inflating. At the far right side, that is from Switzerland, and it's flown by Hans and Verena Funk. That is sponsored by Flying V. That is a big Flying V balloon. Over the left side of the field, you see the Asian Air Safari balloon being inflated, and that is flown by Joel Quillas, Bon Javier, Brian Mendoza, and Gerald Estor from the Philippines. So we have a